All of my fighters of Rahas English Care, you admitted at Rahas English Care 3 months ago. So whenever you admitted, so you had a lot of problems. You didn't have a lot of confidence to speak in front of the people. And right now you're very confident to speak in English. Actually, English is a language you know very well. And just you have started your journey. And you have to continue your journey until your death. Right now, I know how to speak in English. That means English is a part of my life. Am I right or wrong? Right now, you're speaking English. And also, you are making a lot of mistakes. It's your positive side. And it's your confidence. It's your power. Right now, I have started speaking English. Most of the students, and they would like to go abroad for higher study. Actually, higher study means earning a lot of money. Am I right or wrong? Why will you go abroad? What's the reason actually? Why would you like to go? Paisa, right? Whenever you'll have money, you will get motivation. Am I right or wrong? Whenever you'll have money, you will have everything. Please love money. So if you'd like to earn money, so definitely you should have skills like English, computer skills, and other skills. And you have to earn. Am I right or wrong? Right. So right now you are listening. Do you know listening is a great skill? Do you know listening is a great skill? I think that right now you are a very good listener. So please continue your effort. Don't stop it. And try to be a very good speaker. Whenever you'll have money, you will get everything. So please believe yourself. I want to do something for myself. That means you are doing for your family, you are doing for your country. Am I right or wrong? Until you feel confident, please stay connected with us. Please learn English, practice English. The door of Rahas English Care is always open for my students. So this is my big opportunity to talk in front of my students. And please pray for all of my teachers and staffs as well as Rahas English Care. I want to say again, I don't want to say goodbye. Please stay connected with Rahas English Care. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And everyone, love you all. Assalamu alaikum.